Yeah, we out here at Yello Belly live. We about to show y'all all these little street cars that we got. Some on slick, some on street tires. It's about to go down tonight. You know, they stay up until 2 in the morning down here, man. We at Yello Belly in Grand Prairie, Texas. We got turbos and everything, nitrous, good gas and everything. So y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all coming in with them likes. Make sure y'all coming in sharing. Tell all of you know, put it in the racing groups. Let all that be known before you even get started and enjoy all this good live racing action. All right, y'all, here we go, here we go. Did you press your lock? Did you press your share button yet? Okay, there we go. Okay, he look like he ready in there, y'all. Boy say he ready too. Got Chuck in there. So he gets ready. Slow. Look out, look out. Okay, y'all, here we go. And pump it up. About to go up there and use it, y'all. Psychotic racing in the building. Rob G Film, look out, look out. Y'all get y'all shirt on. Okay, okay. Well, y'all, it's ready. Okay, which one you, where you at? Where you at, Diamond? She on this side, y'all. Diamond say she got this side over here. Oh, they pointing. Okay, they getting that glue down. What y'all know about that glue right there? Yeah, he got that glue, y'all. He got that intake. In case anybody wondering. Poquito más. Más. Yeah. Oh, he need a re-burn out. Wait a minute, wait a minute. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Let him back up. Let him back up. That way yours be all the way hot. You're gonna be all the way hot. Look out. He need to do another burnout or what? Cause he might need. Hey. Psychotic racing. Psychotic racing, boy, he love him a burnout. Somebody said, is this track open every day?
What's up, bro?
Look out, what's up with it? We got Gary Bacon in here. Slow song. Uh-oh, he got that nitrous, y'all. I told you he finna use it.
Turbo right here. I know this driver a lot more in the truck. I gotta get him.
Mile. Somebody said no helmet. No helmet. These cars are paid with EVs. White was too fast. Okay, let's go, let's go. We about to see what Lil Diamond picked the right car that time, y'all. We got this turbo Honda coming up. Yeah. Truck ran pretty good. Dang. Oh. Okay, here we go, y'all. Y'all think that? Uh-oh, they saying no full pass. Yeah, fix that. Okay. Alright. Full pass. Hey, full pass. You gonna make a full pass? Full pass. Okay. Okay, he said yeah. Hey, that thing that made a full pass, y'all. I don't know where y'all from thinking he. Uh-oh, here we go. We got a nitrous truck, y'all, sucking a whole bunch of air with a turbo pull. Okay. Look out. Another psychotic racer. Make sure y'all pressing that like button, share button, add me to y'all favorite groups or something. For my people on TikTok, hey y'all, look out TikTokers. What's up with it? I already got 3,000 likes on TikTok. Where are my TikTokers from today, y'all? Where everybody from, man? Represent your clique. Where y'all from, man, this week? Always got a different crowd.
Going to Texas Motorplex this weekend?
Yeah, I'm going to Texas Motorplex this weekend.
You know what time that's getting?
Oh, we got Waco, 903, Oklahoma, Maryland, Georgia, Virginia, Texas, Connecticut. I ain't never been to Connecticut. New York, I ain't been there. Yeah, 419 Ohio, I ain't never been to Ohio. I've been to Arkansas. I've been to Virginia one time. Pennsylvania, I ain't been there. I need to go to Grumpyville. I ain't never even heard of that. Oh, we got Oak Cliff. I'm tired of them. Milwaukee, I need to go to Milwaukee. I wonder how it is over there. Alaska, they got TV over there? I don't want to go over there. I heard it's too cold. Alabama, I've been there. Why is everybody in the box? That's just how we do it at Yello Belly. Just whatever the way is incorrect, that's the way they trying to enforce. Kentucky, I ain't never been to Kentucky.